Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add aesthetic frame on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit, in here you just click on the sticker at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the sticker. And now at the sticker you can swap until you can see frame, this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see a aesthetic frame. You can see this is a mini aesthetic frame at CapCut. You can use the aesthetic frame that you want. I wanna try to add aesthetic frame on this one, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you can adjust the frame. Just adjust with your two fingers like this. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon. Now you can adjust the aesthetic frame, or you can adjust the video. In here I want to adjust the video, so you just click on the adjust and make the video same with the frame like this. You can adjust with your two fingers. Okay, like this. And after this, in here, okay, now in here you can change this canvas. If you want to change this canvas, it's so pretty simple. So you can go back, and at the bottom in here you can swipe until you can see a canvas. You can click on it, and after this, in here you can click a blur or background, or with the color. If the background I like, you can choose the background that you want, or maybe on this one or this one. Okay, like this. Okay, I want to try this one, and after this, in here you can click on the check icon at the bottom. Okay, and now I want to adjust the duration of the frame, so you just click on the frame and set the frame until the end of the video. Okay, like this, and finish. So that's how to add aesthetic frame on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.